So today I'm going to cover a keyword hack which is not really talked about. It's basically using what users search on your website to find different keywords and articles which you can write about. So it's pretty much the best data you can find because the users are going to your website, they're interested in these sort of topics and they're searching for it. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. So what you want to do is, what you need is to have a search bar on your website. You need some sort of search parameter, so people are going to be searching for articles, keywords, or whatever they want related basically to your site. This data is obviously really good for e-com stores too. All you got to do to find out the keywords is go to your analytics, go to explore, and then we want to go to blank. And what we want to do here is go to dimensions, and we want to do page location, and then on metrics we want to do sessions. Yep. Okay, so dimensions, you got to press import. Location, import. Cool. And then when we're on the free form, you just scroll down and the column, the green to the green. Page location, metric sessions. Really do hate Google Analytics 4, but it's just how it is. And then we want to search sessions. In fact, no, we want to search page location, and we want contains, and then we want the search parameter. Cool, so that is the search. Do that, and we've got the data here, so we can just change this to a bar chart. Cool. So what I've just done there is I just kept it as page location and just changed it to the table to get it a table here. And then, as you can see, these are all the search terms which people have been searching on the website. At the moment, obviously it's a new website, so it doesn't have too many search terms, but it's a hell of a lot easier to find topics or products what people are actually searching for on your website. So this is a little hack, and what you want to do is just save it as search. And now you saved it as search. Literally anytime you want to check this on your website, you just go back to explore and it'll be set up automatically for you. So it's a cool little hack no one really talks about, but using the search bar and using what people try and search on your website is great for optimizing your entire website and finding new content. Cool guys, that was just a quick one, so I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe.